Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to remove a device from a Google account. So open your Google and click on the profile. Once you've done this, I'm going to go and manage your Google account. So over here, it will lead to your Google account. And then after you're going to do is go to your security and sign in. And you will find over here your devices. So I'm going to manage all my devices. So you can just go and select the device you want to remove your account with. So for example, I want to remove it from this account, and this one, just gonna click over here, and then after you just need to remove it from that devices. So it will verify it, and then after once it verifies that it's you, you can easily go and remove it. Now just click on sign out and confirm it, and it will remove your access from that account. So thank you so much for watching.